Alright, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to look at the leaking manifold on the coupler for the front end loader. And that is under warranty. So it's this thing right here. So what I'm going to do is just kind of, I'm going to leave it like that because I don't know what the tech is going to do. I'm just going to call him and see when he can be here. So give him a call. Yes, hi B&T. I'd like you to take a look at the loader coupler if you can. Yeah, perfect. You'll be here in 20 minutes? Thank you very much. Alright, so in the meantime, what I did was I started the tractor and I disconnected the front end loader to give access to the manifold, or the coupler I think they call it. So we'll see what they say when they get here. Just waiting for the mobile B&T McFarlane Kubota truck. It's about 3 degrees here. It's been lightly dusting of snow on and off. Spring is taking its sweet time to get here. We still have snow. None on the front lawn again, but just near the hedges where it kind of has a bit of a windbreak. You can see there. Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel. I don't know what happened, but we got slammed with snow overnight. Yesterday, it was beautiful, sunny, and no snow. And today, we got about 15 centimeters, 10 inches, something like that. Well, my gates aren't closing anymore. It's beautiful. I absolutely love the trees. Took a beating though. Lots of them are weighted down really heavy. You can see over there, along the tree line, all the branches are touching the ground. This tree is, wow, it's taking a hit. Well, you can see a problem I'm having with my shed roof. I have 2 rows of icicles, inside and outside. I have to fix that. I don't know what other damage is going on. We're just gonna go down and feed the animals. But we're supposed to get snow for the next 4 or 5 days, and then into the plus weather, so it all should melt. So we missed spring, and it looks like we're going straight from winter into summer. Let's see what's going on with the animals. Hi, pigs. Gates look awesome. right. This is gorgeous. Look how this is all heavy weighted down. Wow. All right, we're just gonna grab the eggs. Look at that, 4 nice little eggs. Having chickens is great. All right. So it doesn't look like we have much damage around the property. Just everything's weighted down. So hopefully this starts to melt. We do have quite a bit of trees that we do have to process this summer. That's definitely on the list. All right, and to the task at hand. We'll turn some lights on. I'm not sure how much you're gonna be able to see. All right, so they came in and they replaced the 2 parts of the coupler. This is the top part, this is brand new. And then the lower part, which is down here, but it is now covered with the hoses for my snowblower because I had to put that back on. I'll see if I can show you. So what Curtis said was that the tabs that get pushed together to open the seals when both connectors are merged start to get wallered out and they start leaking from here. So they have replaced it with a new one and hopefully that will stop it from leaking. But I just wanted to make mention of the importance of having a reliable, trustworthy dealer in your area. It's all fine to get tractors from different companies, but if and when you need service for them, to have a dealer that understands the situation and works with you to get things fixed is more important than I think than getting the cheapest that you have to travel hundreds of kilometers away for or hundreds of miles away for. That interaction and that relationship is more important. So do yourself a favor, is when you are looking to buy a tractor, no matter what size, definitely check out the dealership, their service, how they talk to you, how they treat you, and what they do. So if you're in the Ottawa area, definitely check out TMacFarlane. Ask for Bruce Hayter. He's a fantastic salesperson, and hopefully you get serviced by Curtis if you need so. So thanks very much to everyone at B&T for helping to get me back up and running. I appreciate it very much, and we'll see you in the next one. I'm out of fuel, so I won't be doing any snow plowing, but leave me in the comments what you think. Should I plow this or let it go? I just want to let it go. or let it snow. You guys can decide. Anyways, thanks very much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe, share it with your friends. What did you do on your land today? Because today we did a walkabout to see how the storm went last night, and give it a quick update on the coupler that was changed because it was leaking. I had mentioned that a couple videos ago, and now I'm glad it's fixed. We'll catch you in the next one.